Hi, I'm Kate Stalter with Investors.com. Thanks for joining us in our Guide to CanSlim video series. Let's take a look at the C in CanSlim, Current Quarterly Earnings Per Share. If you looked at a list of the biggest stock market winners over the past several decades, you'd see the relationship between booming profits and booming stocks. The greatest stocks of all time had quarterly earnings growth of at least 25% versus the same quarter a year ago. Let's use VCA Antec as our example. This is a chain of veterinary clinics that goes by the ticker symbol WOOF. Here, we see that earnings grew 30% versus the same quarter a year ago. If those earnings are accelerating, that's even better. How can you tell if that's happening? For 4 quarters in a row, you can see where earnings grew at a higher rate from the year earlier period. That's also 4 quarters in a row of accelerating earnings growth. Powerful earnings growth isn't limited to today's stocks. Over the past several decades, leading stocks have shown exceptional earnings growth before their big price moves. Levitt's Furniture had current quarterly earnings growth of 63% when it began its huge move in 1970. Or how about Microsoft? Back in 1990, the software maker had profit growth of 65% just before it skyrocketed. And then there was Home Depot in 1977. Earnings were up 74% just before the stock made a quadruple-digit price move. We're showing you these examples from past decades to illustrate earnings growth is a very significant trait that great stocks continually exhibit. And the biggest winners didn't just have strong quarterly earnings growth, but also strong sales. In our example, VCA Antec, this company has had several quarters of strong sales growth. Next up in our Guide to CanSlim, a look at annual earnings growth. I'm Kate Stalter with Investors.com. Thanks for joining us.